Okay, so alright Stella, whenever you're ready, you're doing this second time, do this by yourself, do your self commentary, and I would like to use the car park front of you and do this reverse parallel parking, please, whenever you're ready.
Okay, first thing I need to do is lower my left mirror. So I'm doing that right now. Now when I can see the curve, I think that's perfect for me. Now what I will do is put my gear in drive and then check mirrors, make my observations.
No, after the mirrors is signal.
Signal to the right, and then here, and then progressing, and I'm going to leave a 1 meter gap between the car I have in front.
Good.
I'm steering and trying to get myself in a parallel position
That's
to the
it,
car
good.
I have left, and then immediately go to reverse so the car behind me knows what I'm doing.
You've done everything good, so you have went to the reverse, which is very good. The car behind you know what you're doing. Your car is now parallel. One thing still not correct. Your tires, you need to make your tires, look at your tires there. You need to make it straighter. Go to the right.
Right.
Now that's it. Now your tires are straight. Because if your tires not straight, you're gonna start going in the wrong direction. You got to make sure that your tires become straighter before you do some reversing. That's important as well. Okay.
Right. So before doing the reverse.
Yeah. No, you done the reverse is fine. Make sure your tires straight. That should become your second nature. Okay.
Okay, now my steering is straight. Now I will do
No. Observations first. Start reversing. No, start reversing a little bit. And use your first reference point. When is your side wing mirror in the
middle of the car.
And then what you're gonna do now?
Now is
one steering to the
left.
That's it. Good.
And then checking.
Good. That's it. You can go as slow as you want, not a problem at all. It's your observations. So what's your second reference?
The line in the
so bit more back. There, stop.
There.
Okay.
And then it's two to the right.
So one to make your tire straighter, and one to go to the right. Yeah.
I think I need to. Okay.
Look at your right shoulder as well. That's good.
I can check your mirror.
But shoulder check as well, though. Yeah, you're doing good. That's fine. Don't forget your right shoulder check. That's it. Good. You're doing good. Well done. There. Good. Excellent.
And then I'm going to straight just one to the left, and then
I would go back a little bit more, so it's easy for you to go out. Just reverse back a little bit more. That should be enough.
And then park.
Perfecto.
And then thank you for teaching me this.
It's not very hard, is it? Yeah. It's a nice.
It's cool.
You got a small gap over there. Perfectly fine. Not a problem at all. Okay. You just need to know your reference point, especially this one.
This one is
because
the key thing.
If that green car, this green lane hit the curb, you're gonna hit the curb. So you just have to stop an inch before.
Just a tiny bit.
Yeah. Okay.